Hello traders, you are welcome back to this video, and in this particular video we are going to be breaking down the best 1 minute crypto scalping strategy. Now this is built for traders who move fast, love momentum, and want a structured way to take advantage of short bursts in the market. All right, whether you are scalping Bitcoin, Ethereum, or smaller altcoins, this is a strategy that is designed to catch those quick price movements with precision. Okay, let's just get straight into the setup. Now we're going to be adding two exponential moving averages to the chart. All right, we're going to be working with the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Okay, so the 9 EMA is fast reacting, tracks short-term momentum, while the 21 EMA is smoother and confirms direction and filters noise. Okay, basically when the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA, we look for bullish setups. And when the 9 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA, we are looking for bearish setups. It's simple and effective. All right. Now, we don't trade just because of a crossover. Yeah, that's where most traders get burned. You need confirmation, right? You need the confirmation. Now, you have to look for strong candles forming above or below both EMAs. All right. You look for a strong candles forming above or below both EMAs. You look for small pullbacks that respect the EMA zone. All right. And then you avoid weak candles or wicks that show indecision. Okay, now when the EMAs are spread apart, right? When the EMAs are spread apart and price hugs them tightly, it signals momentum. That is your window. Entries happen after a pullback to the EMAs with a strong continuation candle. All right. Okay, you can see like what happened around here. You can see this strong continuation candle after the pullback to the EMA, right? So this would have been a good entry point. All right. So if it is a short trade, you look for bearish engulfing like what we had here, or maybe strong red candles basically that are rejecting the EMAs. All right. Your stop loss can be above the EMA. Your take profit can be around, the next key support zone. All right. Just a little above it. All right. But in the case of a buy, all right, the case of a buy, once you get your confirmation candle, you look for bullish confirmation candle, strong green candles bouncing from the EMAs. Enter your buy, stop loss below the EMA. Right, this is a scalping strategy. Yeah, so you want to place your stop loss at appropriate levels. Take profit can be around the very next resistance, just before it. Okay, your stop loss goes just behind the pullback's low or high. Okay, your take profit targets a 1.5x or 2x reward based on your stop loss size, depending on your risk. Your profit target should be at least 1.5 times your risk or 2 times your risk. All right, that's going to be your reward. Stick to the rules, okay? Do not chase. If you miss it, there will be another setup. Crypto is volatile. All right, so scalping on the 1 minute chart means things can flip in seconds, literally. All right, remember that there is a lot of noise on the 1 minute time frame. So if you want to really scalp on the 1 minute time frame, you need to be fast, you need to be smart, and you need to make your decisions wisely. All right, so you need to employ proper risk management. Okay, never risk more than 1% of your account per trade, and ensure that you use tight stop losses. Your stop losses should be tight because this is a scalping strategy. Okay, set a maximum number of trades per session. The fact that you are a scalper does not mean that you should trade, you should open hundreds of trades in a day. Yeah, in as much as scalping is a fast-paced strategy where you open a lot of trades in a day, but still, you can actually limit your number of trades for precision. All right, to avoid over trading. Mind you, 3 to 4 trades are still good. Yeah, 3 to 4 good trades. So long as those trades are high probability trades, they are better than 10 trades that are forced. It's better to take 3 to 4 precise, high probability trades than 10 trades that are forced. You force the trades into the market. Maybe the market did not present a very clear opportunity, but because you just want to open multiple trades, you are forcing yourself to execute trades. You're forcing trades, right? It's not good to force trades, okay? So stay alert. Do not overtrade. All right, let the strategy come to you. Let the market present the opportunity. When the opportunity is presented, you jump in and grab it quickly. Scalping requires fast decisions. It doesn't mean that you must trade all the time. But when the opportunity shows up in the market, you jump in and grab the opportunity right there, right there. Okay, and correctly. Using this strategy, just a very quick recap before we round up. The 9 EMA and the 21 EMA, they are the main deal, right? So when the 9 EMA crosses above the 21, the next thing is to look for a bullish confirmation candle. Once that bullish confirmation candle has been gotten, you jump into your buy trade. Stop loss below the EMAs. This is a tight stop loss. So your stop loss can be below the EMAs, all right? Take profit can be at the very, very next resistance, or when the crossover happens, the bearish crossover, you jump out of your trade immediately. Then for a sell, when the 9 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA, get a bearish confirmation candle, then you hop onto your sell trade. When you hop onto your sell trade, stop loss above the EMAs, all right, at that particular zone, because you have gotten a confirmation candle already, so you can set your stop loss above that particular zone, right? And then your take profit can be at the very next support, a little bit above it, okay? Or if you have a bullish crossover, maybe the 9 EMA crosses back above the 21, you jump out of your sell trade immediately. Okay. All right. So risk management is actually very important. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and limit your risk. All right, to 2% or 1%, between 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right, per trade. Okay. So that is how you execute the best 1-minute crypto scalping strategy. All right. Clean chart, simple rules, fast decisions. No need to cluster your charts with a lot of indicators. Okay, just with the EMAs and with price action, market structure, you can be able to scalp effectively on the 1-minute chart. You can be able to scalp crypto effectively on the 1-minute chart. Just ensure that you manage your emotions properly. Ensure that you do not overtrade. Ensure that you do not over leverage. All right, so these are some of the common mistakes that you should avoid, okay, if you want to be successful in the long run. All right, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading content that keeps it real. Comment below if you want to see this strategy in a live session or apply it to a specific coin. Until next time, stay sharp, stay disciplined. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.